Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So first of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into system.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is system.io and how it works. So welcome to system.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success with user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management. You can focus on what truly matters, growing your own businesses. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So the first thing here we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and other things. So then we have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle, and I will show you how you can earn money with it. System.io, I mean. So we have the first thing, course creators. Make money teaching people what you know, how to online training, receive payments from your students and sell your courses using sales funnels or emails. Then we have freelancers. Create a powerful website to sell your services, showcase your work and get more leads. Then we have consultants. Run evergreen webinars, communicate with your clients and grow your audience. Then we have small business owners. Bring your business to life with our marketing and e-commerce tools. Sell anything to anyone with our point of sale features. And if we scroll down, you will find here how to become an affiliate. So we click over it and you will find other page here. So we have here offered than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. Join our affiliate program today. Promote our offers, pull your leads into our funnels, and firstly earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription of our course. Then we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions here to join our affiliate program. Then we have it, anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So right now you can just write your email address and you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions and you get started. So right now, how to get started as an affiliate. So learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. So the first step here, we have read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the sets you will need to create content about System.io. Then we have the fourth step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then if we scroll down, we have here the definition of System.io. A fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online businesses. Build scales, funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build our websites, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. Then we have your System.io free plan. Then we have earn 60% lifetime requiring commissions. So right now, after your sign up, you will find this page. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Leveraging your expertise, subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate required revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your websites or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So right now I will show you how you can create a product. First of all, you click over here and you click over physical products, and then you click over create. So you write your name here, and then about description you can just use ChatGPT and you can paste it here, copies on ChatGPT and paste it here. Then you can also use Perplexity, or you can use your own description. Then we have SKU here, product, tax, currency, also price, weight, also about inventory limit stock for this product, and then you click over stock limit value. Then we have here shipping, disable shipping fees for this product. Then we have here media. You have just to upload the photo, but before you can just use canva.com to download the photo, then you can upload it here. About options, we have here options name and add another value, and also you can add another option. This is about physical products. Then you have courses also. You can just add a new course here. You write your name, your domain here and your page. Then you choose the one you want. Then you click over save. Then we have other one, which is communities. About this one you can just click over create and you write your name. Then you write your domain name and you write your page. Then you click over save, and that is how it works with that also. Then let's go to sales funnels. So to create, here you can just click over create, then you write your name, your funnel domain, and then you choose your funnel goal here, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, and then you click over save. Then I will show you here how it works. So about this one we have four packages about the price. The first one is for free, then the second one startup $27 per month, webinar $47 per month, limited $97 per month. So, and this is how you can do with that. You can also switch on here, and this is for a year. You have your contacts, sell funnels here, blocks, courses, automation rules, workflows, tax, email campaigns, order bumps, tests, coupon codes, custom domains, evergreen webinars, marketplace of communities, finance per product. And then we have payment gateways. You can use this one to get paid. Stripe, People, Cadopeto, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, Paystack, Secure and Pay, Cash on Delivery. You can use the one you want. So, earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strengths and market demand, whether through affiliate marketing, digital products, sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategy, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that you not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.